Hello everyone, nice to meet you. This is Michael, come from Guangzhou Zhimei Automation Equipment Company Limited. In the industrial sector, hydraulic cylinder powder presses are an indispensable technology, encompassing various aspects from manufacturing to material processing. In this video, we will take you on an in-depth exploration of hydraulic cylinder powder presses, unveiling their astonishing working principles and outstanding performance. High pressure output. A hydraulic cylinder can provide a high pressure output, which is crucial for generating sufficient force to compress or extrude powdered materials. In a powder press machine, it can deliver continuous and uniform pressure to ensure consistent product quality. Presses control. Hydraulic systems offer presses control over force and speed, allowing the adjustment of operational parameters as needed to meet various process requirements in the powder press machine. Programmability. Modern hydraulic systems are often equipped with programmable controllers, making it easy to adjust operational parameters, record date, and implement automation control, thereby improving production efficiency, stability, and reliability. Hydraulic cylinders typically have a long service life and maintain reliability even in harsh environments. They are well suited for high-intensity industrial applications. It's important to note that the use of hydraulic cylinders requires maintenance and regular inspections to ensure proper operation. Additionally, operators should receive training to ensure safe operation. Thank you for your watching and subscribing. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are dedicated to providing you with the best design solutions and services.